how many are there? How do you know? How many are there? How do you know? When you get your answer, you show me one thumb. And if you've got an answer, try to think of another way to think about it. Okay, thumbs down. Now I'm going to ask you to raise your hand if you think you know the answer to this problem. What is our answer here?
6.
She says it's 6. If you agree with 6, you're going to do this, which in sign language means from me to you. So put it to your chest and to Maya, right? Maya?
No.
Oh, you're a little
Luna.
sis. Sorry, Luna. Okay, like this to her. I agree with you. So she said 6. Are there any other answers we want to put up there? A different answer that you think it's not 6? How many do you think it is?
7.
He says 7. And if your answer was 7, you're going to do this. Okay. And do you have a different answer? How many do you see?
10.
You see 10. And again, if you had 10 as your answer, you do this. Okay, so now my question is, how do you know? How do you know? So can someone tell me how they got to their answer? Can you tell me your strategy? Austin?
They counted in their brain.
How did you solve it? Did you count in your brain?
I was like going my eyes all the way up and then aside.
Okay, did you start at the top? Up here? Can you count them for me now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many of you counted them all like that? As one of your strategies. Okay, okay. Who saw it in a, oh, and so Austin saw it as 6, okay. Who saw it in a different way? How did you see it?
I know 3 plus 3 equals 6.
You know 3 plus 3 equals 6. Where do you see those 3s?
Over there, over here.
Can you describe where you see them? Where is the first 3 that you saw?
Here and here.
So these 3 right here, and then these 3 right here. Ooh, can I write that down for you? So she said this 3, and this 3, and that equaled 6?
Yeah.
So she saw it as 3 plus 3 equals 6. If you saw a 3 plus 3 equals 6, you can say, I agree with you. How did you see it?
I know it because I did 4 plus 2 equals 6.
And can you show me or tell me where the 4 is? Or where the 2 is?
It's right there, 4 is right there, and then the 2 is right there.
So you saw this 4 right here at the top, kind of like a 7, and these 2 down here at the bottom? Okay, thank you. Go ahead and have a seat. So you saw 4 plus 2, and how much does that equal?
6.
And so originally, I think you were the one that told me 10. Did you want to change your answer? Okay, we're going to take that one right off the list. Okay, did we see it in another way? How did you see it?
Like, I count like 3 times so I can make sure it is the right number.
Oh, so you counted multiple times?
Yeah.
Okay, and what was your answer?
Like 6.
It was 6. Okay, how did you see it?
I saw 5 in a row and 1 on the other side, and it equals 6.
So you saw 5 plus 1 more equals 6. Did you have to count 5, or did you know that was 5?
I know that was 5 because there's a 10th frame, and a 10th frame has 5 on each side.
Oh, so you were able to look at that and say that's 5, and you added 1 more to make 6? How many of you did a 5 plus 1? Okay, still more strategies. In the back, how did you see it?
I just know that. Do you see the 2's right there?
The 2 at the,
Bottom.
down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals 6.
So you did 2 plus 4 equals 6, okay. How many of you did 2 plus 4 equals 6? All right. How did you see it?
I did 4 plus 1.
Where was the 4?
The 4, no, the 5 plus, I did 5 plus 1.
Oh, you did the 5 plus 1, like that one? Okay. Let me take these last 2. How did you see it?
Like I counted 6 and, 0 plus 6 equals 6.
Okay, so you saw the 6 all together and you said 0 plus 6 is 6? Okay, how did you see it?
So I know that 6 plus 4 is 10, so I counted 10 and then I took away 4 and then it equaled 6.
Where's the 10?
So I counted all of the 10 frame. So I know that 6 plus 4 is 10.
So you're thinking that there's 10 there's 10 squares here?
So there's 10 squares, and then I took away 4.
Because of these 4 that were empty?
Yeah.
Okay, so you did 10 minus 4?
Yeah.
And that equaled?
6.
Okay. At some point, someone told me 7. Who was the one who shared 7 as their answer? Would we like to change your answer, or
Yeah.
do you want to defend your answer?
I'll change it.
You change it? What would you change your answer to?
6.
How do you think of it?
Well, I think of it as, so I thought there was 7, and then I counted again, it was 6.
So counting them helped you?